Inter Miami is set to face Jamaica's Cavalier FC in the Concacaf Champions Cup round of 16, with one leg being played in Kingston on March 13th. Naturally, the big question on everyone's mind is whether Lionel Messi will actually make the trip to Jamaica or if Inter Miami will send a B team. Looking at recent matches, Messi has been actively playing and even scored in their latest win over Sporting Kansas City. That suggests he's in good form and not just sitting out games. However, we all know that clubs sometimes rest their biggest stars, especially for matches where they feel they can get the job done without them. From a Jamaican perspective, having Messi play on local soil would be huge, not just for football fans, but for the general buzz it would create. But until Inter Miami officially confirms their squad for the Kingston leg, there's always the chance that they rotate the squad and leave some big names behind. Personally, I think there's a real possibility that Messi comes, at least for part of the game, unless Miami decides to prioritize MLS fixtures and rest him. Either way, Cavalier will have their hands full, whether it's against Messi or a strong Inter Miami squad.